Opening a demo account on AvaTrade allows you to practice trading without risking real money. Here's how to create a demo account on AvaTrade. Visit AvaTrade website. Go to the official AvaTrade website and click on the Open Account button located on the homepage. Sign up for a new account. On the registration page, fill out the required details, such as your name, email address, phone number, and country of residence. Select Demo Account as the account type. You'll be asked to create a username and password. Choose your account settings. During the sign-up process, you may be prompted to select the type of trading platform you want to use. Choose the one you are most comfortable with or want to practice on. Complete the registration process. Once you fill out all necessary information, click Submit or Create Account to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Access your demo account. After verification, log into your AvaTrade account using the credentials you created. You will now have access to your demo account, where you can practice trading with virtual funds. Start trading. Once logged in, you can start using the demo account to simulate trading in real market conditions without the risk of losing actual money.